Hi, let's recap what we learned in the first module, Basic MS Excel Setup. Here, we covered the major initial settings you needed to take a look at before working on MS Excel. Keeping these basic things in mind will help you avoid unnecessary hassles in the future. The shortcut is Alt-T-O sequentially to go to the settings menu. The first thing that should be set is the author name. This is important for if you insert comments anywhere in the spreadsheet, it captures the name of the author. If you don't have the right author name in the first place, you will have to redo the whole exercise of putting the comments. This will be a colossal waste of time and energy. The next point to keep in mind is to keep the workbook calculation as automatic. This will ensure that the values derived from various formulas change automatically as we change the inputs assumptions. For example, suppose we are asked to calculate the revenue-based quantity and price. If the workbook calculation is not automatic and if there is any change in the price assumption in the spreadsheet, the revenue numbers won't change. We will have to do it manually, which will defeat the very purpose of using an Excel. Iterative calculations should be disabled, as this is considered a bad practice while working on Excel. Imagine a scenario where you are working on a client project for the past 2 hours and have to send across the final output in the next 30 minutes. Suddenly, the file crashes and the work done so far has not been saved because you had set autosave time to 150 minutes. This will indeed be a big problem, and to avoid sudden data loss, it is advisable to keep autosave time at 3 minutes. Sometimes you also need to use some advanced options in Excel, such as regression analysis and solver. For these, there are specialized add-ins that can be enabled. However, keep in mind that this might slow the spreadsheet. Hence, keep all the add-ins as disabled unless required. Apart from the points discussed, we advise you to spend some time and look at various other settings, font, language, size, etc. This will help in laying out standard settings as per your work requirements. That's all in this session. In the next module, we shall learn how to navigate and manipulate data in an Excel spreadsheet.